to what I believe is the most important summit in this conference, even though we have a lot of very fantastic sessions. But go-to-market is probably the most important success factor that does not get adequate attention usually. And in this summit, I mean, we have sessions today and sessions tomorrow, and we're covering go-to-market issues for a wide range of startups and stages. So if you're just starting out, we have sessions. We have a session which is getting your first 100 SaaS customers. We have a session on basics of communication. How do you communicate with the ecosystem, with investors, with partners, with customers, and build your business? And something that probably people at all stages of venture growth can use. If you are at a scale-up stage, we have predictable lead generation, very important topic. We have how do you build inside sales? How do you build partnerships for scale-up? How do you go global? What are the legal issues and regulatory issues and practical issues you have to deal with, right? So again, issues which will help you create predictable and sustainable growth. If you're selling to enterprises, the next session, we're very fortunate to have somebody from HDFC Bank, Munish is in the leadership team, who will talk about what it takes to sell to a large enterprise, giving you a customer view, right? We have a session on if your primary target market is SMEs, we have a session on how to sell to SMEs. We have a session from an investor which talks about product market fit, and product market fit from the investor perspective. We have some other very important sessions which, again, everybody struggles with, for example, pricing, right? Pricing, if you get pricing right, not only can you realize more revenue per customer, but very often you can win deals, you can win more deals, because a lot of deals are lost because your pricing is wrong. And a session, a workshop structured on how to even think about pricing. We have an excellent session. Somebody from Zenefits will talk about how to build a power brand, right? Especially in today's experience economy. Right? Then we have somebody talking about how do you build customer experience to help you build that power brand? How do you predictably, measurably improve customer experience? We have a session from InBobi about the science of marketing. How do you use data and data science to, again, create predictable marketing, right? We have a session on building communities. Again, something which is a very powerful tool for not only building your business, but building relevance and sustainability for your business, right? So a lot of very good sessions. We a packed 2 days, and I'm sure you will find everything very useful. One guidance that we've given to all the speakers is talk from your heart, talk practically, right? We don't want theory, we don't want stuff that you can quickly Google and see. That's not what I'm sure all of you are here for. You're here to hear what the speakers have themselves experienced and themselves learned in their experience, right? So you'll be getting learnings from real practitioners, and something that I'm sure you'll find relevant in your own venture or in your own job, right after this conference.